Yes, it worked. Oh my God, it worked. Welcome to Jendely's Lean. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your YouTube page so it looks like you would do on Instagram, if that makes sense. So right now, this is my page. This is the before. This is what it looks like. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done with it. Right now, when you get to my page, you see these videos, and there was a video in the front here that I arranged so that you can see this first, and I'll show you guys how to do that with the rest of your page and have your video organized. And no, you're not gonna have to delete a video, so don't worry about that. I'll just show you guys. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and put all your videos into playlists. Putting them into playlists will make it easy for you to organize your video. You see what I'm talking about here. So I have recent posts as one of my playlists. I have the popular, upload, and then just my regular playlist down here. Today we're not going to get into organizing all of these playlists. I'm just going to focus on the first line that people see when they come to my homepage, okay? So now I'm gonna click on this video because I don't want it to be the third or first video or second video people see when they come to my page. So I click on it and it brings me to my page and I click edit. And if you don't have TubeBuddy, go ahead and get that because that's why my layout looks like this. So if your layout doesn't look the same, that means you don't have this little guy right up here, TubeBuddy. So let's see. I'm going to come up here under public where you go and turn your video into public. I'm going to come up here and there's recent post under my playlist that I have. Remember when I told you guys that my video was placed on a playlist? It's under recent post, and I'll click on that and you get this little drop box. And if you want to move that video to a specific list, you can, but I just don't want it on on that first playlist that people see. What happens when I unclick this is the video doesn't disappear, it doesn't get deleted, it just goes back into the regular videos that I have that doesn't have a playlist. It just goes under that. So I unclick that, hit done on the bottom here, hit save. You have to click save or else it won't work. So now that we've clicked save, we're gonna go back to my home page to see, or go back this way to see if this video is still on my playlist. Okay, this is home. Let's go down. See, it's gone. And I'll show you guys where it went so you're not worried. Now we're gonna go work on this because I want this video to come next to this video. So we're gonna have to remove this one from the list. But first, just for your peace of mind, let's go look for that video. We're gonna go to videos, click on it, come down here to look for that video. See, there it is. It's right down there. We didn't lose it. So let's go back and organize the other one. Okay, let's try and move this one right here and replace it with this one. Okay, we're gonna click on it, come to edit, find my playlist, and it's right here under public. Hit that down arrow, uncheck that box that says recent post, which is the playlist that I saved it in. Hit done, hit save. Now let's go back and watch the magic. I don't know how often it lets you do this, but let's see if it will do it this time. Now we're gonna go to home because that's the first page people see. Scroll down. What just happened? Oh no, what just happened? Okay, let me refresh it. Let's refresh it. Don't do this, YouTube. No. Oh, come on. Yikes. So, just remove this. You know what? Let's exit out and come back in. All right, let's see. Yes, it worked. Oh my God, it worked. Oh, I seriously thought it wasn't going to work. So now I wanted this video to be first, this second, this third, this fourth. And then you can keep repeating that same steps over and over to get your videos to look like what they want. And this one is fine. And I don't know why this video is on my list. I want to remove it. Let me go here. It's not even my video. Okay, so this is someone else's video that ended up on my watch list. And in order to remove that from my list, I'm going to go to this little plus sign. Come over here. Click, click, out of watch later and resend post. And then refresh and see what happens. Let's go back down here and see if that video, yes, it's gone. It's gone, and now my channel looks how I want it to look. If you come to my video list, this is what you see. When you go to my home page, this is what you see. Not bad at all. And I can do the same with this down here, but this is how I want it as well. This is good. I mean, this is just my personal preference. You can arrange yours in the way that you want, okay? Just by following these steps. You can do this, and it looks like it's an instant change. It doesn't take long or hours or 2 minutes or a minute. It's just instant. You just have to refresh and go back. And it looks like what you want it to look like. You can organize it this way as well based on views, and that's what I was going with here, just based on views, and this one based on what I want more views on. So the first one is views, second one, third one, you know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. This is the after. This is what this one looks like.